A drip campaign is a series of messages you can set up using your online SMS platform to automatically send out to your subscribers over a specified period of time. For example, you could set it up so that the first message will be sent immediately when the subscriber signs up. Then the second message could go out the next day, the third message could go out the next week, and so on. So in other words, a drip campaign allows you to automate your messaging flow. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Open the Drip Campaigns page. You can access the Drip Campaign feature under the Messages tab on your control panel. Step 2. Create a new campaign. Once you are on the Drip Campaigns page, click Add Drip Campaign to add a new campaign. Enter a name for your campaign, and then click Create Drip Campaign. You'll be able to start editing your campaign right away. Step 3. Add messages and delays to your workflow. Under the Workflow section, when editing your drip campaign, you'll see Add Message and Add Delay buttons. Click Add Message to add a message to your campaign. Adding a message includes the following: entering a title for your message, for your reference. Selecting the time of day you would like the message to go out, or selecting if you would like it to send immediately. Entering the content for your message. Note, if you would like to include an attachment, such as an image, in your message, click the paperclip icon. This causes the message to send as MMS, which counts as 3 messaging credits. Click Save when you are done setting up the message. The message will then be added to the workflow for your campaign. You can add as many messages to your campaign as you would like. If you want your messages to be sent out on different days, click Add Delay to insert a delay into your campaign. Type out the number of days you'd like the system to wait before sending out the next message in the sequence. Then click Save. You can add as many delays between messages as you would like. You can reorder the elements in your workflow by clicking the dots on the left side and dragging the message or delay to the desired place in the sequence. Clicking the delete icons will delete any element in the campaign. The icon with the indication of the number of subscribers beside it shows how many people are currently on that element of the campaign at any given time. Step 4. Add groups to the campaign. Go to the bottom of the page to the Start Drip Campaign section. Select a group from the drop-down menu under Groups Currently Running Drip Campaign. Once you select a group, subscribers in that group will automatically start receiving the messages in your campaign workflow. Every subscriber currently in the designated group will start at the beginning of your campaign right away, and every new subscriber added to that group in the future will automatically start at the beginning as well. Thanks for watching.